Hey everybody, my name is Jason, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a glitch CRT effect. So once I have my clip right here, I'm gonna create a new adjustment layer. I'm gonna go towards the end of our clip. Let me zoom in, cut it, and then once after that, head right here, go to distort. Then you want to head down, add S_distort RGB. Want to put the amount on 1, put the blur lens on 0, and then I'm gonna click down right there, and then next I'm gonna add deglow. I'm gonna put the radius to 145, and then I'm gonna bring down the exposure to 1.75, maybe a bit lower, but I think right there is pretty good. Next I'm gonna add is noise. Head down here, drag it in, then I'm gonna put it at 16%. Head back right here. I'm gonna add hand lines. Head down to line frequency, put it on 153, and then head down to line sharpness and put it on 1.3. You can kind of already see like the glitch CRT effect of how it's coming out. Next I'm gonna add is exposure. I'm gonna put it on -0.50. Next I'm gonna add posterize time. Let me find it, it's right here. Then I'm gonna put the time frame rate to 18. Go right there. Then I'm head to shake and add S_shake. I'm going to go to amplitude and put it at 0.07. Then I'm going to head down to right here and click on motion blur. And yeah, I just want to say to those who stuck around to the end, make sure to subscribe, like, or leave a comment, and this should be your final product.